Hi, this is Venkat, and today I will discuss about the Junit 5 test, how to write the Junit test using the maven project. I just put some document about the Junit 5 in the readme text, so it will be clear when we write the test. So Junit 5 is actually composed of several different modules from different sub-projects. So JUnit 5 is consists of the three different modules: JUnit Platform, JUnit Jupyter, and JUnit Vintage. So JUnit Platform serves as a foundation for launching the testing frameworks on the JVM. So we definitely need to include JUnit Platform artifact in the Maven. And JUnit Jupyter is combination of new programming model and extension model for writing test and extension in JUnit 5. So to write tests, we need to have the API where we have the annotations like test and other annotations. So we need to have the Jupyter which got these annotations. So we need to include Jupyter artifact also in Maven project. And the JUnit Vintage, this is provides a test engine for running JUnit 3 and JUnit 4 based tests on the platform. So in case if your application is having JUnit 3 and JUnit 4 tests, and and they are not required to be migrated to JUnit 5. Still, using the JUnit 5 artifactory, we can execute JUnit 3 and JUnit 4. For that, we need to include JUnit Vintage in our application. So, okay, let's go to the form where we have defined the artifactories for JUnit 5. So, this is the first one we discussed, the JUnit platform. This engine we need to include as a dependency. This is a mandatory. Also, the Jupyter Jupyter also API also we need to include to write the test using the JUnit 5. If you have any test in your application with JUnit 3 and JUnit 4 and you want to migrate your application to JUnit 5, still you can execute those tests using the JUnit Vintage. In that case, you need to add the dependency of JUnit Vintage. Okay, let's start writing a simple calculator which does the addition of two numbers and writing a test for the same. So first I'll create a package. So I'll give the package name as calculate calc. So I'll create a simple class calculator. I will define a method which does addition of two numbers. So it will return integer. So like add int I integer return I plus j. Okay, so we have a method which we can do a test now. So in the test package, let's create another package JUnit 5 that tests. Let me create a class, test class, calculator test. So let's write a test method to test the calculator add method. So I will write a method void test add. So we need to have an annotation test so that we can run the test for that addition. Here we have test for with multiple from the multiple libraries. We need to select the Jupyter API and you can write assert equals which compares the input and the output from the calculator method. So let's write assert equals. Okay, so to assert, first we need to create an object for the calculator and let's import this as a equal. So you can, if you do the import static method, we can import from the Jupyter API. So I want to test calculator object c dot add method 1 comma 2. So 1 comma 2 is 3. So we expect 3. So the first argument is expected, and the second argument is calling the method, doing the operation, getting the result, and the result should, we are expecting to match what we mentioned in the expected. So let's run the test. So when you right click, you can find the run test add. If you just run the test, let's see whether it's executing or not. Cool, the test is passed. Very nice. So let's change this to comma 2. So the output of this method is 4 and the expected is 3. So I expect this particular test to fail. So let's see if the test is failing or not. Yes, the test is failed because the expected is 3 but the actual is 4. So that's it. We'll go through other annotations of the JUnit 5 in the next session. Thank you guys. Bye.